Now you can see, when I'm trying to get this thing to go slow enough, but you can see the run out on the sprocket. See how it's dancing up and down? That causes enough run out to tighten that chain up in one spot. This doesn't seem to be running out as much. I don't think it's running out too bad. But this thing, you can totally see that thing dancing up and down. So when they drilled the holes on the sprocket, or they drilled the holes on the jack shaft, the stock jack shaft, they didn't have it dead center when they drilled the holes. So it's running out, and that's causing it to tighten up in one spot and loosen up in another, causing those to break. And that's where all the clicking was coming from on the main drive chain.